right, so you already know that creatine is one of the most studied supplements out there. You're probably already taking it, but can you start adding it to your recipes and cook with it? Let's talk about it together. Hi guys, my name is Maya Valenti with Naked Nutrition. I'm a private chef and nutrition coach, and I am here to answer all of your questions about health, wellness, and supplementation. And today's question is a fun one for me. Can you cook with creatine? Look, most people just mix their creatine into water or milk or a protein shake, but what if you wanted to add it to food instead? Does heat ruin it? Or can you actually cook and bake with creatine and still get all the benefits? Let's get into it. So creatine, it is one of the most popular and widely used supplements in the fitness industry because it's known for helping support strength, power, and overall performance. Most of the time, creatine is taken as a powder, but more people are starting to get really creative with it, and they're wanting to add it into recipes. So the big question is whether creatine holds up when it's exposed to heat. Now, the good news is, for the most part, it does. The most common form of creatine is creatine monohydrate, and it is a very stable form when it's in powder. Even when it's exposed to high temperatures during normal cooking, it generally doesn't break down. Now, technically, if creatine is exposed to very high temperatures for a long period of time, it does begin to degrade into something called creatinine. Creatinine is a byproduct of creatine, but it doesn't offer the same muscle performance benefits. That said, this usually only becomes a concern at temperatures above 450 degrees Fahrenheit, or with extended cooking times. And most normal cooking methods don't go that far. So if you're baking, you're gonna probably be baking about 300 to 400 degrees, and that's your sweet spot. So if you're sauteing, stir frying, or using creatine in a recipe that isn't exposed to extreme heat for a long time, it's generally considered stable. Baking does involve a little more heat exposure and usually a longer cooking time, so there's a bit more debate there, but still possible, especially if you're choosing recipes with a lower temperature or a shorter baking time. And if you're wondering which type of creatine is best for this, the answer is going to be creatine monohydrate 100%. It is the most common form, the most studied, the most widely available, and in this case, the most stable under typical cooking conditions. One easy and straightforward way to just add creatine into your meals is in the form of protein pancakes. So if you're doing that in the morning already, just mixing your flour, a little bit of vanilla naked whey, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and an egg, melted a little coconut oil, a little vanilla extract, 5 grams of that creatine monohydrate right into the batter, and there you go. You've just achieved a really easy way to get your protein and your creatine at the same time first thing in the morning. Cook the pancakes on a skillet over medium heat like you normally would, and you can serve it with any topping that you like. So if you've ever wanted to make a more fun or practical way to get your daily creatine, here's a great example of how to do it. Creatine, it's all about consistency. So if you're doing it straight thing in the morning, it's probably gonna be a really good way to make sure that you're getting it every single day at the same time. The only issue is if it degrades into creatinine from excessive heat. So creatinine isn't harmful, but it also just doesn't give you the same muscle supporting benefits as creatine. So what's the takeaway here? Creatine can absolutely be a practical and a creative part of your routine, but not just in drinks, in food too. And if you want to cook or bake with it, stick to typical cooking methods and avoid extreme temperatures over 450 degrees. And of course, creatine monohydrate is going to be your best bet when cooking. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. And for more on our naked creatine and other creatine supplements, head over to nakednutrition.com. Because here at Naked Nutrition, we believe in nutrition with nothing to hide. All right, guys, see you next time.